The Met Office in Exeter has issued a yellow rain warning for East Midlands, East of England, London and Amp, South East England, North West England, South West England, Wales, West Midlands, Yorkshire and Amp, Humber. Thunderstorms will continue to develop over the southern half of the UK throughout Sunday, with some of these persisting into Monday morning. Whilst many areas will see small amounts of rain, a few locations may see some very large totals, with 30 millimeters possible within an hour and perhaps up to 80 millimeters in 3 hours. Along with this, hail and thunder are likely, as well as some locally strong gusts. Perhaps the most likely time and location for seeing these severe thunderstorms is over parts of Wales and extending southeastwards into southern parts of the Midlands during Sunday afternoon.